The Soobool Frigidaire Kenmore drawer frame is a replacement crisper pan cover. It fits many Frigidaire and Kenmore refrigerators. This drawer cover shelf frame arrives without glass. Thus, you must reuse your old glass insert. This means it's a cost-effective choice. Furthermore, it's easy to install. You simply slide it into place. The Soobool Frigidaire Kenmore drawer frame is built to last. Its durable construction ensures longevity. This cover replaces several part numbers. For instance, it replaces 240350702, 240,350,701, and 240,350,700. It also substitutes PS648823. AP 2,115,959 and 917224. Therefore, check your model number carefully. You might wonder, is this the right fit? Well, it's designed for common refrigerator models. Think of it as a missing puzzle piece. It restores your fridge's organization. Moreover, it keeps your produce fresh. This crisper pan cover acts like a shield. It protects your fruits and vegetables. When your old cover cracks, produce wilts faster. Consequently, this replacement is a real game changer. It revives your refrigerator's efficiency. In addition, it prevents food waste. However, remember to keep your existing glass. That's a crucial point. Otherwise, it won't be complete. Overall, it's a practical upgrade. Finally, consider the value. This Soobool Frigidaire Kenmore drawer frame saves you money. Buying a whole new crisper drawer is expensive. Instead, this replacement part offers an economical solution. It's like giving your fridge a mini makeover. Yet, it's simple and straightforward. Plus, it arrives quickly. You won't wait long. Installation is a breeze. Therefore, you'll be organized in no time. This product truly delivers. It offers convenience and durability. Furthermore, it helps maintain your food's freshness. Thus, it's a smart purchase for any homeowner. Pros: worked as it should, fit perfectly, held up for about a year, worth the money, snaps right into place, crisper drawer slides smoothly, least expensive replacement, arrived in great condition, great price, exactly what was needed. Cons: doesn't include glass shelf, doesn't include plastic gliders, may not fit all stated models. Incorrect information on product, it's a little off on the size. Features: upgraded design, crisper pan cover, drawer cover shelf frame, without glass, compatible with Frigidaire, compatible with Kenmore, replaces PS648823, replaces AP 2,115,959, replaces 917,224. Refrigerator part: the Soobool upgraded 240,350,702 refrigerator crisper pan cover is a replacement part for refrigerators. It works with both Frigidaire and Kenmore refrigerators. This part is the frame for the crisper drawer cover, but it does not include the glass. It replaces older part numbers like PS648823, AP 2,115,959, and 917224, and has an improved design. The Soobool upgraded 240,350,702 refrigerator crisper pan cover is a good value replacement part for compatible Frigidaire and Kenmore refrigerators. Praised for its easy installation and smooth operation of the crisper drawer. While it generally fits well and is durable, lasting about a year, it's important to note that it does not include the glass shelf or plastic gliders. And there have been some reports of slight size discrepancies or it not fitting all stated models.